Your AI tools are powerful, but they can't see your screen, let alone the context from your workspace. You have AI, but you don't have leverage. Let me show you how. A client brief arrives for a landing page. I open a task in Opera Neon and collect research tabs, competitor pages, brand guidelines, docs, and notes. First, I use Neon to analyze the open tabs and build a content strategy, including target audience, messaging angle, page structure, and headline options. With the strategy in place, the next step is building a landing page. I connect Claude Code to Opera Neon through the MCP Connector. With the reference page open in Neon, Claude Code analyzes the page, scrolls through it, takes screenshots, and builds a plan. Once the plan is ready, a second prompt starts the build, and Claude Code turns that open tab into a fully functional web app. And to round off the proposal, I generate a hero visual right inside Neon, using the brand new GPT Image 2 model. Because beyond the MCP connector, Neon also gives you a full multi-model suite, so the entire workflow, from strategy to prototype to visual, stays in one browser. Before, every handoff meant lost context, and you were paying for a fragmented AI stack on top. Now, your tools are connected, your models are in one place, and everything runs from one browser. AI becomes leverage when it shares the context where you work. That's how a solo operator with the right stack starts working like an agency.